The straight punch. This is your knockout punch. It's fast, powerful, and one of the most important punches in boxing. Let's break it down step by step. The straight punch is a direct, explosive punch thrown with your rear hand. It's your strongest punch and a key weapon for landing clean shots and finishing fights. Here's how to throw the perfect straight punch. First, you start in your stance, feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, your lead hand up to guard and your rear hand ready to fire. You then want to rotate your body. You push off your back foot and twist your hips and shoulders. The power comes from your legs and core, not just your arm. You then want to extend your rear hand straight forward, keep your elbow tucked in as you punch, and your fist should land in a straight line to the target. Then you want to turn your fist over at the end. Your knuckles should be facing down slightly for a sharp, compact punch. And last but not least, you want to snap it back to your guard. Don't leave your hand out. Return to your stance quickly to stay protected. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. First, we have overextending. Don't reach too far, it throws you off balance and leaves you open. Then we have not rotating enough. If you don't turn your hips and shoulders, you lose power. And then we have dropping your rear hand. Always bring your hand back to your guard. Don't leave yourself open for counters. A straight punch isn't just one move. You can set it up in different ways to land clean shots. Here are 7 ways to use it effectively. First, you have the jab straight punch, the classic 1-2 combination. The jab blinds them, the straight does the damage. An example of this is Muhammad Ali's textbook 1-2s. Then you have the jab straight punch to the body. You jab high, then you throw it straight to the body. It's great for breaking an opponent down. And then you have the jab to the body, straight punch to the head. You go low with the jab to drop the hands, then come over the top of the straight. Here's an example of me using this in my last fight. No. No. Nice, lekker no. Nice, lekker no. Then you have the double jab, straight punch. The double jab keeps them guessing, then the straight lands with full force. Lennox Lewis used to do this all the time. And then you have the double jab, straight punch to the body. It's a great way to mix levels. You go double to the head, finish low with the straight. And then you have the double straight punch. So you throw 2 straight punches in a row. You catch your opponents off guard. And then we have the blinding the opponent with the jab and then hitting them with the straight hand. You hover your lead hand near the eyes and fire the straight behind it. It disrupts their vision and reaction time. Floyd Mayweather used to use this a lot in his fights.
1-2 combination there by Mayweather on the ropes and continuing that, and at this point using the double jab and then another.
Here's a drill that you can do to train your straights. It's on the heavy bag and there's 3 important steps. The first one is you focus on snapping the punch with speed and power. You work on combinations like the jab straight and the double straight, and you train accuracy. You hit the same target spot consistently. That's how you throw a proper straight punch. Focus on technique, avoid common mistakes, and drill these setups to make it effective in any situation. Next up, we'll break down the hook. See you in the next video.